Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legends. Today we're back with a brand new drone flight. So yeah, I was supposed to come to a place called Greenway, and as I arrived there, I've marked it on the map. It was all closed, so I just did it here instead. I'm standing here. So I want to do a 360 photo first. So yeah, nice Porsche over there. Look, you know what? I can probably go down here, but I'm not sure if there's no access to this. I thought it was a park, but it's not really a park. So anyway, let's stop recording now. We're gonna do a 360 photo. So yeah, so I went. Right, let's zip around now. So I'm right over here. What we're gonna go towards the closed part of the Greenway. So yeah, I was supposed to come here, but it's closed. But as you can see, I'm standing here instead. Look at that. Amazing, look at that. So I went to another part of the Greenway. I've flown in Stratford before, but I'm flying towards West Ham right now. So yeah, there's a lot of flying ants. Today's flying ant day in July. So this happens once in a while in the UK. So look, the drone's at Stratford now. We're gonna go towards it. So I tried to take off further down the Greenway, but then it was too close to London City Airport, so I had an authorization zone. Look at that. Drone's literally around Stratford now. That is an amazing shot. Alright, let's turn around. Look at that, we're so close to the building over here. We're gonna come straight back, same way. It's really hot today. So we're gonna go straight down, gonna come back. See, I wanted to go to the open part of the Greenway so I can get better range of the drone, but it's closed off by Thames Water. So yeah, my last flight, I did a flight in Wembley. That was a good flight. So if you want to check that out on my channel. I've also done a coastal flight in Botany Bay. I really like that flight. So let's go towards the other way now. Just gonna keep going down. There's a ladybug. Alright, let's keep going down. I think at some point so if we look at the Greenway continues here. I was gonna go down it the other way, but then there's a no-fly zone, so I had to walk around it. See, look, it starts right here, the no-fly zone. We're not even that far from the area. It's like when I looked in the map, for some reason it said the no-fly zone it started further down, but I think the authorization zone starts way earlier than expected, so it literally made me waste my journey a little bit. I had to walk all the way around just to fly the drone. So yeah, let's see what else we got. gonna carry on here. So we're flying right here. You probably see the planes take off at London Sea Airport. Let's see if we can spot the airport. Even though it's quite far, the airport's down here, London Sea Airport. Probably can't see the runway, but you probably can see planes taking off from there. So hopefully we're gonna catch that. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, let's explore this little building over here. There's a nice building. We're gonna go towards that. Yeah. Building over here, as you can see, looks really nice. Looks like the Abbey Mills pumping station. Let's get an orbit shot of it. You know what? Let's get a sideways shot of London skyline. And you know what? We've got a train depot behind us. So as you can see right here, the train depot. Let's get a shot of that. So we're gonna get a shot of it. Gonna go a little bit lower down. Let's get a static shot of it. Look at that, looks amazing. Let's go a little bit up. Look at that, amazing. What else can we get a shot of? Let's get a shot of these buildings over here. So there's a lot of insects making noises here, as you can see. Alright, let's try and avoid getting these rough shots. Look at that, you can see the DLR and the Jubilee all in one shot. We've even got a river over here. I'm gonna get a shot of that river. There's not much around there. I was planning to go to the other side of the Greenway, but I'm here now. Right, let's get a shot of this building here. Oh no, we've got no fly zone, so we can't go there. We can't go anywhere near there. Because we're going too close to London Sea Airport. The zone's really big. So many flying ants coming towards me. There's a flying ant on my controller right now. Let's go towards this river. What's this building over here, as you can see? Yeah, there's not much to see here. So you've got a high-speed train coming. You can get a static shot of that. Gonna come back. That's gonna be towards no-fly zone, so we're gonna come here. I don't know what else I can get a shot of now. Literally this area, there's not much to see down there. We've got Stratford the other side, but that's too far. So yeah, I'm not sure where else we can go. You know what I want to do? I want to get a shot of London Sea Airport, planes landing there. Even though it's far, I'll probably catch it. So it's down here, the city airport. Somewhere down there, near the O2. Oh my god, there's so many flying ants here. I wish I could show you and record it, but you can't. I'm trying to catch the plane, take off. You know, you can get a shot of Stratford again. Oops, my phone's overheated in the sun. Because my phone's too much in the sun, like I said. I'm losing FPS now. I'm getting low FPS. You know what, I might even consider stopping this drone flight because there's not much to shoot. And plus I'm losing FPS. Yeah, you know what, there's not much to shoot anyway. I might just land a drone. And plus I'm getting low FPS. What I might do though, I might see if there's the planes landing. Cause I never get shots like these, because this is as close I can get to London Sea Airport, even though it's really far. Like, I can see planes above me, but that's probably going to Heathrow. So yeah, not much to shoot. So yeah, I'm trying to land a drone now. I wonder what's down there. There's probably nothing going on down there, but I want to get a shot of it. See, even the sun's going away. I might as well stop the drone flight. There's no train coming. Let's get a shot of the train. So that is the Jubilee line. Alright, I'm just gonna land the drone now. It was an alright little flight, but because I couldn't take off from where I wanted to, I've come here and there's not much down here. Next time I'm gonna make sure I find a good spot. Every time I do find a good spot, like my last flight, I did a flight at Wembley Park. So I'm just gonna land the drone there now. So I'm gonna land it on one of these things over here. So you can see me walking around. Look, let's have a look at this. You know what? Let's do low down shots, yeah? It's gonna be insane. Check this out. That is amazing. Alright, we've entered the no-fly zone. Alright, let's turn back at speed and we're gonna go back. Look at that. Really nice shot. Alright, let's stop this flight now. What's down there? There's a big car park over here. I've ended up using my whole battery. But you know what? I'm just gonna land it. I reckon I'll hand grab it. Much better. Right, so that's my drone flight. Oh my god, you know what? I just realised my drone has a lot of stains. It looks like flying ants have hit the drone. Anyway, I'm gonna end this drone flight. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.